Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be leaving the ingredients and the instructions in the description area below. So now let's get into this. First, you're going to add into your food processor 1 cup of sliced almonds. Then you're going to add 1 cup of flaked coconut or coconut chips. Then once you process it, you're going to add in 1/3 cup of monk fruit brown. And then you're going to do 1/4 cup collagen peptides, then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then I added in 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I included, of course, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to take and stir your mix so that it's well incorporated. And then I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of butter. And then once I finish adding in the 1/2 cup of butter, I will add in 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. So once that goes into your bowl, then you're going to add in 1 large egg. And then I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of maple flavoring. Then give that mixture a good stir. Make sure everything is incorporated really well. And once you have that stirred up, then you will be transferring this into a 1-quart baking dish. And I took some leftover melted butter, lined the dish with it before I poured my mixture into the bowl. So once you have it poured into your bowl, then you take that and put it into your oven at 350 degrees for no more than 25 minutes. So please check it at the 20-minute mark. Once you take it out, you should give it a jiggle and it should still move in the middle, still jiggle in the middle. So here we go. Here's your taste test.